Hello and welcome to DSA Codes. Today we are going to see how we are going to validate IP address. So in Java we have a function which actually makes our life easier, which is init address. Okay, what does this do exactly? Is a class where you can do a DNS lookup, a domain name server lookup. Okay, so if you put a IP and they resolve it and they see whether it is the right or the correct IP address. And it takes around order of one or order of constant, okay, in terms of time complexity. So it is going to be a very easy, but actually it'll be a very good to know as you're going to be applying this in industry. And also there is along with this, there is another problem, classic problem which we have in DSA, which is going to be um, it is going to make sure that you actually generate valid IP address with an input like 192.168.0. Then what are the valid outputs you can generate, or what are the valid IP addresses you can generate? But I found that little different, and I found that you should know the value of init address, and I thought that you should actually get the gist of what we are going to actually do. So, I mean, this is going to be an important industrial level coding, and I'm going to help you understand it. So, before we actually get started now, I'm going to actually make a, let's say, IP address validator. Will that do? Let's see. IP. Actually, we can name it address validator. I'm gonna put IP. Okay. Okay, it is not a problem. But obvious public static void main. Okay. So I got this. General structure done. I'm going to now have a function where we can check whether is the IP address valid or not. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna do that real quick. I'm gonna name that function as is valid. Public static. This time no void, boolean, and is valid. We take string IP address as the parameter. I mean, this is the real time application of DSA, okay? And then we are going to use try catch. We're going to put exception. Okay, all right. Before we do anything further, I want to import two important classes. Java.net dot init. You can just say init address, and also unknown host exception to throw as an error, like if there is any unknown host exception. Okay, so we are going to create an instance of init address. We're going to name it as init address itself. We're going to use get by name. We're going to check the IP address, right? And then finally, semicolon, and I'm not sure why is this an error. Let's see. Cannot be resolved to a type. Okay, I should remove this actually. So now it works. And as we have actually imported unknown host exception, we basically use that when we don't have that host already in as a DNS, sorry. So when we don't have such DNS, we throw an error. So that means there is no host as such. And there is the IP valid no. And we'll say return false. And here we return true. All right. All right. So we're good to go. We're going to say string IP address equals, and this works in the backend part for your information. And then I'm gonna check IP address is correct or not. And then I'm gonna say if it is exist, system.out. Otherwise not exist, then not out. I'm gonna say system.out.println is a valid IP address. Okay, we're good to go. And then we say same thing, but is not a valid. All right, that is it. Let's go and test. I'm gonna say Java C, which is a compiler. Address like this. And then I'm gonna say Java, the class name. So it comes out to be a valid. Let's say, for example, this should also come out as something similar. All right. So let's say, for example, we put like this. Valid as we're having 3. Let's say one more. Let's put a 0. I mean, I'll teach you the class IP classes. There are different classes. So see, as you can see now, this is falling out of the class. I mean, there are different classes for IP addresses, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so we will see them in detail, but understand that valid IP always exists with a three digits before the dot and 3 digits after that. So basically means it is a combination of 4 dots where you have three digits in between, and they are decimal numbers. Sorry, that is from 0 to 9. All right. And if you put more, then it becomes invalid IP address. So that is all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, share, and comment and subscribe and share with your friends. And don't forget that I keep uploading videos regarding Java and DSA videos. I'm going to soon start React and JavaScript also. If you all want to understand them, you can actually let me know. Thank you. Thank you so much.